If you're wondering if someone gave me punishment, well, this is what I was trying to achieve. So I just took off my kinking and I needed to make cornrows by myself. So I just washed my hair and I'm trying to moisturize it, dry it properly and begin. So I'll be using this Mega Growth Hair Moisturizer, very good for natural hair, and I've been keeping this hair for years. This is my typical 4C natural hair. It felt so good on my hair and it smells so nice. I only used the sachet and it was enough. I applied it thoroughly in my hair. I massaged my hair well and I could feel and see the difference. And yes, guys, we are done. And at this point, I am so proud of myself because it wasn't easy. So I had to give it some finishing touches because I was going out, and I actually stepped out with it confidently without a wig. I just put on my bold earrings and that was it. So guys, what do you think? Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.